Hi, so welcome back to this discussion and conversation about metallography specimen sample preparation techniques, and I am Sandeep Sharma. We'll discuss about the sampling technique for the metallography, right? So coming to the step number 1, which is the vital most, is the sectioning or taking out the sample, okay, for microscopic examination. So operations such as shearing produces severe cold work which can alter the microstructures of a sample. So abrasive cutting, sectioning offers the best solution to eliminate these undesirable features. The resultant surface is smooth, the sectioning task is quickly accomplished. Okay, so low speed cutoff wheels are utilized in case where the heat created by standard abrasive cutter must be avoided. It has to be avoided. Okay, so ample coolant and proper speed control are essential in all sectioning operations. Remember, ample use of ample coolant and proper speed control are essential in all sectioning operations, that is cutting, abrasive type cutting of the sample into small pieces. Okay, so again, abrasive cutoff wheel consists of abrasive grains such as aluminum oxide or silicon carbide bonded together with the rubber and other material in form of a thin wheeler. Now rubber bonded wheels are most extensively used for wet preparation, and resin bond is being used for the dry cutting. When the sectioning of a piece of metal, the abrasive grain on the cutoff wheel, it becomes dull, and therefore the bond must be destroyed at the correct rate so that the new grain are always on the edge and are still held firmly by the bonding material. The rate at which the bond breaks down is affected by several different factors. So which are these factors? Number 1 is the hardness of the bonding. Number 2 is the hardness and workability of the metal samples. Number 3 is the size and speed of the wheel. Number 4 is the power of driving motor. Number 5 is the type and amount of coolant and its method of application. Number 6 is the amount of pressure by which the wheel is applied to the sample. And number 7 is the amount of vibration in the machine. This is a very important factor which has to be considered, okay, while cutting the sample. So now cutoff wheel are indexed from hard to soft and are referred to by the grade. As a rule of thumb, a hard bonded wheel should be sectioned while sectioning soft stock, and a soft wheel for sectioning the harder material. A reasonable amount of wheel pressure must be applied so that the abrasive grain will bite and remove the metal in fine chip. An experienced operator can tell you whether the wheel is cutting or merely dragging by feeling of the control arm and monitoring of the power consumption in the cutting equipment. So this is about the cutting wheel, the cutting pressure that needs to be applied, and the type of abrasive wheel that is needed to be used for cutting different types of metal samples. So to give you a more